Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Are you fine?
Yes.
Okay, today we will do the shapes. Yesterday we have done this work. Okay, again we will revise this. These are the basic shapes: circle, square, and triangle. Good. Now do the next activity. Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Good. Take out and trace with the two finger. Trace it. Good. Now okay. Which shape is this? Square. Now next shape is circle. Do this. Yes. Where is square? Where is triangle? And where is circle? Good. Now do the next activity. Now put it. Which shape is this?
Square.
Okay. Good. And which shape is this?
Triangle.
Good. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Have you learned the all work?
Yes.
Okay.